Okay, so let's look at some more verbs followed by infinitives and how those sentences work, and let's make some example sentences. So decide. Decide to try. Decide to try the octopus. Decide to try on suspenders. Very nice. Demand. 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 Demand to sell. Demand to sell. I demand to sell. Demand to sell. I demand to sell the house. I demand to sell the shoes. I demand to sell the car. I demand you to sell the car. Makes sense. Deserve. Oh, I need this. I deserve it. I really need this. You need to give it to me. I deserve to talk to him. I deserve to talk to them. I deserve it. And enable. Enable. Make something that can, make sure it can happen. Enable. Enable to teach. I am enabled to teach. I am able to teach. Enable me to teach. This camera, this whiteboard, and these pens enabled me to teach English. Makes sense. Expect. Expect to buy. I expect to buy it by next Friday. I think. What do I expect to buy? Nothing. I expect him to buy it soon. Encourage them to behave. Behave, definitely. I encourage him to behave, not to be naughty. Be kind. Fail to grow, perhaps. Fail to grow. Why, this plant. I have a plant, I have a peace lily, but it's not growing. It is failing to grow. It failed to grow. It fails to grow. Why won't it grow? It fails to behave, I guess, in one way, to behave. It fails, to grow. Or the children fail to grow. They're still immature. They fail to grow up. Grow up. Grow up. Makes sense. And forbid. Forbid. Forbid you to open. I forbid you to open the door. Forbid it. Open the door. And guarantee to believe. No. Guarantee to see. Yeah, see. See. Yeah, believe works too. So we could say, I guarantee you. I guarantee. I guarantee to see. I guarantee you will to see it. I guarantee. I said, not quite. I forbid you to see the show, see the movie. We fail to see the movie. I encourage you to see the next film, next chapter, next car. I expect to see more next time. Guarantee to grow, guarantee to behave, guarantee to buy, guarantee to sell, guarantee to talk, guarantee to teach. Yeah, it works. Guarantee to grow, guarantee to open, guarantee to see. Guarantee to see. Guaranteed. You are guaranteed to see a shark. You are guaranteed to see a whale. You are guaranteed to see a party. Makes sense. Yeah, that works. So decide to open. Demand to buy. Yeah. Deserve to behave. Yeah. Deserve to sell. I deserve to sell this. Enable to open. Yeah, makes sense. The button enables the door to be opened. Enable to behave. Yeah, it works, but a bit odd. I am able to behave. This will enable you to behave. Yeah, enable to see. Yes, binoculars. we can see further. It enables me to see with binoculars. Enable to open with the, but yeah. Enable to grow, enable to behave. Yeah, fail to open, fail to behave, fail to grow, fail to buy. I failed to buy the product. I failed to sell the shirts. I guarantee to sell the shirts next time. Yeah. How cool is that? How cool is that? Let's keep going, language explorers. Let's keep going.